going to start how you can make a nested function in Python. So let me just create a function, and after that how you can create a nested function I will explain you. So let me just create one function. The function name I am mentioning here, definition of function, like this is a outer function, and in the outer function I am printing please subscribe AI Nikhil model mind. So I have written this. So when you will call this outer function, so you have to print it like this. Earlier we have seen it. So let me just run this function, and now it's giving me the output of please subscribe AI Nikhil model mind. Suppose you want to just create an inner function. So again you have to put inside of this inner function, inside of this outer function. So how you can make it? So again you have to define with def keyword and your function name, and then again you have to print something. Means I am just checking it for your understanding, like this this is inner 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 function, and when I'll run this, so as inner is not calling, that's why it is not giving me pr- print. This is not, this is a inner function. So when I'm calling the outer function, it's going this line, this outer function, and it's printing only the print please subscribe AI Nikhil model bind, and it's skip this one because we did not call the inner function. Let me just call it. So please make sure you are calling this inner function inside of this indentation, because you make the, when you will make like this type of indentation, so it will give throw you an error. So I'm, because it is calling like inner function, so it is defined like inner function, so that's why. So let me just again run this, so you can just see it. It is print both the thing, both the output. Let me just clear it and run it again, like please subscribe AI Nikhil model mind, and again this is the inner function. So how execution is happening here? So it is going, first it is going line number one, and line number one it is like find, it will be find out one function, it will skip one, again it will find one function, it will skip one because of the first function will call outer function, so it will just jump into the line number 7. So line number 7 it again goes into line number 1, and again it will go with line number 2. It will found out one function and it will print like please subscribe AI Nikhil model mind. Again it will jump into line number 3. So line number 3 will skip, so directly it will go line number 4, because line number 3 will skip because it is a Python function. Without Python caller we cannot call the Python function, so it found the line number 5 Python function caller. So it like inner it will go, and again it will print like this is a AI, this is the inner function. So when you'll just calling inner function outside of this outer function, so so it will throw you error because you cannot call the inner function outside of this outer functions, because inner function scope will be inside of this outer function. So let me just call it. So it will throw me error, name inner is not defined, because this inner function scope is only the inside of the outer function. So that's why it's throwing the error. And when you will just making your script, you have to always remember you cannot access the inner function outside of this um, outer function. So this is a main nested function, how you can just make it, as well as there is a advantage of you can use decoders and closer. So I'll explain next video how you can make it. So thank you.